CITEL's patented VG technology is the optimized solution for protecting your equipment against transient overvoltages due to lightning or electrical surges. Combines MOV and GSG components to provide a hybrid surge protection device unlike anything else on the market. GSG is a unique CITEL expertise which takes the GDT to the next level. CITEL VG SPDs use specific gas-filled spark gaps and are the result of over 85 years of experience in the industry. There are many advantages to using VG technology when applications require reliable operation and effective protection. The first advantage of VG technology is the high protection efficiency. When a surge occurs, part of that energy inevitably passes through the surge protection device and reaches the protected equipment. This is called let-through energy. If too high, it can damage sensitive equipment. With VG technology, this residual energy is drastically reduced. UP, or voltage protection level, is the maximum voltage that reaches the protected equipment during a surge event. A good SPD must ensure a low UP to effectively safeguard devices. VG strikes the perfect balance: a long-term reliability, a minimal risk of costly failures, and optimal lifespan for even the most sensitive electronics in multi-stage surge protection systems. Effective coordination is critical to ensure that the initial SPD absorbs most of the surge energy, while downstream SPDs protect the final equipment. While a traditional SPD requires specific distance between the secondary SPD and the equipment being protected, VG technology removes those requirements, allowing for an easy and efficient installation. No secondary SPD is required, and space conditions are simplified, allowing for safe and effective surge protection without any extra restrictions. Thanks to VG, coordination between SPDs is improved, delivering a coordinated defense system, perfect compatibility between protection stages, and optimized performance across the entire electrical system. When a conventional surge protection device activates, it can generate a follow current and unwanted current that continues to flow through the power network after a surge event. This current can cause unnecessary tripping of circuit breakers, disrupt system operation, and reduce overall protection efficiency. With VG technology, this phenomenon is completely eliminated. The SPD instantly returns to a high ohmic state without causing a short circuit, and the protection device does not trigger an unnecessary disconnection. Immediate benefits: reliable surge protection without interruption, fewer nuisance tripping, a stable and continuous power supply. Most surge protection devices draw a small continuous current even when no surge is present. This occurs due to the internal components of the SPD, such as MOVs, which can create a minor conductive path in normal operation. This leakage current, though minimal, can generate unwanted heat, accelerate component aging, and reduce energy efficiency. With VG technology, the SPD does not draw any current during normal operation, resulting in zero power consumption, zero premature aging, and most importantly, extended lifespan for the entire system, reduced maintenance needs, and reduced overall environmental impact of electrical systems. Temporary overvoltages, or TOVs, are short-term voltage increases in an electrical system that last for a few milliseconds to several seconds, yet cause serious damage to equipment or premature aging. When exposed to a TOV event, Metal Oxide Varistor, or MOV, can fail by either disconnecting from the network or degrading their performance. So MOV-based SPDs are typically disconnected from the grid and need to be replaced, which leads to higher maintenance costs and downtime for the system. VG technology can endure these temporary overvoltage spikes and remain fully operational, continuing to provide surge protection without the need for replacement or system downtime. No emergency replacements, no downtime, guaranteed service continuity, ideal for critical installations where every second matters. A surge protection device must safely disconnect from the electrical network. This is especially important for MOV-based SPDs, which can experience degradation over time due to repeated exposure to surge events. As the MOV reaches the end of its service life, its internal resistance decreases. A reduction in internal resistance leads to an increased short-circuit current flowing through the SPD. In such cases, the thermal disconnection function must interrupt the current. If the short circuit current becomes too high and the thermal disconnection can no longer interrupt it, an arc may form, which could lead to a fire. Thanks to the gas-filled spark gap (GSG) disconnection mechanism, the current is interrupted as long as the MOB still retains a small residual resistance. This enables the thermal disconnection to function without load current, significantly reducing the risk of an unwanted arc and potential fire. Insulation testing is a standard part of any commissioning process. While traditional surge protection devices must be disconnected during these tests to prevent interference, SPDs with VG technology are allowed to remain connected to the electrical installation. The result? Faster testing, lower labor costs, and less downtime for the system, which is particularly important for large-scale installations or projects where time is a critical factor. VG technology, a smarter way to protect your equipment.